लॉ स्टूडेंट्स को आसानी से इंटर्नशिप्स नहीं मिलती. दिस इज़ द वन थिंग दैट आई हर्ड व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड टू डू लॉ. People say कि if you do not have connections, you can never get an internship or a job in this field. However, I ended up getting 4 internships in top law firms of Karachi, and I got one before I had my first year result in hand. So it's not at all impossible to get an internship in a law firm without a source. You just need to follow some basic steps. The first step is to create a LinkedIn account. आपका LinkedIn account बहुत ज़्यादा strong होना चाहिए. You have to fill in the education section of your LinkedIn account very properly. आपने जो कुछ भी किया अपने कॉलेज में स्कूल में, doesn't matter whether it's related to law or not, and it doesn't really matter whether you had law in your A levels or not. Just add in everything. Add every supracurricular activity you were a part of. Add every society you were a part of, even if that society or that supracurricular activity is not related to law. It's fine, just add everything. Even if your grades in A levels or O levels were not that great, या आपके कॉलेज या जो भी आपने किया इंटरमीडिएट वगैरह में अच्छे नहीं थे, it's okay, just mention those. So after creating a proper LinkedIn account, the next step is to start applying for jobs. Obviously, nobody's gonna approach you. You have to go and apply for jobs yourself. अब jobs में apply करने का एक तरीका तो ये है that you email your CVs on the official email of every law firm. But उसके बहुत low chances हैं कि आपकी CV खुले और वो देखें लोग, because not every law firm has a proper HR department, and associates और senior associates के पास इतना time कभी कभार नहीं होता कि वो हर किसी की CVs जो हैं वो check करें. So they scroll the CVs of people who have zero experience basically. The easier way with which you can get your CV viewed is that find an alumni of your university who is working as an associate or as a junior associate in a law firm, and message them very professionally that you are looking out for an internship, and just make your professional message and send that to them, and they will ask for your CV and they will forward your CV to the relevant person or to their fellow associate who is hiring an intern, or they will themselves consider that CV if they want interns under them. तो इस तरीके से चीज़ होती है, and because they can relate to you very well, because they are recent graduates, like आपसे 4-5 साल पहले ही graduate होते हैं, they do give you opportunities and they are most of the times very helpful. So it's good to connect with your seniors. The second way to apply is pretty basic. You just email your CV to that law firm or drop your CV to the law firm. And yes, it is not easy to get an internship. You need to constantly apply to different law firms. एक law firm में 3-4 बार भी अपनी CV भेजो so that your CV comes on top and they check it. The third way to apply is to get connected with the career development unit of your university. Every university has some sort of career development unit. You just need to send them your CV, stay connected with them, keep a check-in with them, and they will let you know about the upcoming opportunities and you will get an opportunity there. The fourth thing that I would recommend is that if your university does an internship drive or something of that sort, do take part in that, because उसके अंदर आपके टीचर्स या आपके सीनियर्स या आपके मेंटोर्स आपको इतना इंस्ट्रक्ट कर देते हैं कि आपको इंटर्नशिप्स में किस तरीके से उठना है, किस तरीके से बैठना है, किस तरीके से इंटरव्यू में बिहेव करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. यू लर्न द बेसिक मैनर्स and you also get some more tips and tricks on how to apply, on how to reach to a recruiter. One advice that I would give here is that always be professional and mindful. अगर आप कहीं पे इंटर्नशिप करने जा रहे हो तो मेक अ माइंडसेट कि आपको अपना इंटर्नशिप पीरियड वहाँ से ख़त्म कर कर ही निकलना है, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी पंक्चुअल ऑन योर इंटर्नशिप डेज एंड वेरी प्रोफेशनल in terms of the work you are given. Another advice which I would like to give is that if you have a source or a connection through which you can get a job or an internship in a law firm, then do use that source, because unfair advantage लेने वाले लोग सबसे ज़्यादा intelligent होते हैं. But yes, as a law student, I would say that you should try and get an internship on your own basis, because that just makes you very confident and self-aware, and you just get an extra boost of confidence, which is gonna help you throughout your legal life.